Hello everyone. Want to master your Telegram notifications? Here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our Telegram. Let's tap on the three lines at the top left corner, and that's our settings. So tap on your settings, of course. Let's scroll down to our notification and sounds. So first of all, you can enable or disable notifications for private chats, so you see no messages in private chats. You can choose the sound for them. As you see, there's a huge list for different sounds. Also, you can upload your own sound and use any song if you would like to, of course. You can press more options. You can see how they will look like. So you can change the vibration. You can add up some exceptions if you don't want to have notifications but want to have notifications for some specific contacts. You could choose the priority, pop-up notification, and light color. For the groups, pretty much the same, however, only for the group chat, so can add up some exceptions, can turn them on, turn them off, simply tap on the switches. Same for the channels, once again, sound, messages, new messages, stories. So you can add up if somebody posts a new story, and once again you can choose a line, a color of this pop-up message, show sender's name, so on and so forth. For the calls, you can set up a vibrations if you want to have them or no, the ringtone, which you can choose from your phone. For the badge counter, you can show badge icon or include muted chats or not to do that. You can enable to count unread messages if you want to or not. For in-app notifications, once again, in-app sounds, in-app vibration, in-app previews, in-chat sounds, in-app pop on screen. So you can turn this on or off. Everything will work as it usually works with every other messages. So here you can set up some events. If somebody of your contacts joins Telegram, you can enable or disable this notification. If somebody pins the message, you can enable or disable this again. Or if you're feeling like you did too much and you want to reset all of your notifications, simply press reset notifications, confirm your choice by pressing reset, and you'll see this message that's all notifications. Let's do this again. All notifications has been reset to the default. Basically, that's how it works. Easy as that. So I really hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.